Hi everybody, Eric Hendrickson giving you the Mortgage Minute for the week of April 12th, 2021. Again, last week we finally saw a pretty steady week in interest rates after movement upward the last probably 4 or 5 weeks. Probably lost close to 50 to 60 basis points in interest rate over that time period, which that's the bad news. The good news is we're still sitting at very attractive historical levels. So we kind of hit that yield that bond investors are looking for, that they felt comfortable based on the current economic data to kind of have an equilibrium. The 10-year Treasury is looked at pretty closely as a benchmark for interest rates, and that kind of hit a high point of 1.7, a little over 1.7, kind of settled down just underneath that. That's kind of the ceiling that's out there. So again, I think we're in a situation of equilibrium for interest rates, and now what everyone's going to be looking for on the bond investor standpoint is are expectations met, or are they exceeded when it comes to economic reports? If they're met, meaning when these economic reports come out, if they do meet expectations, then everything's kind of baked in the cake, and you'll see interest rates stay relatively stable. If the numbers are exceeded on a positive side, then again you'll see rates move up a little bit as expectations of economic growth and therefore inflation really start to ramp up. We have the Consumer Price Index gets released on Tuesday. That one is looked at very closely for inflation. Retail sales comes out Thursday. That's another big report. So we got 2 this week that pay attention to if you're floating your interest rate. We're just kind of watching and waiting, and again hoping that the economy continues to just smoothly reopen. The vaccinations seem to be going well. The COVID numbers are ramping up a little bit with the new variants out there, but hopefully the vaccinations will kind of be more of an influence on that. So that is really the update for the week. We'll continue to watch things and keep you posted. Have a great week.